Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm back for another video. DC Sport shift knob. It's a weighted shift knob, as you can see right there. All right, I'm gonna see how much of a difference it is when I put it on, because this is like, you know, you gotta put force. And I heard a lot of good things about weighted shift knobs. So yeah, I'm gonna see what's the difference. So this is like, I guess before I put it on. I know, weird flex, but okay. Ooh, speaking of flex, y'all already know. On the real though, let's open this box. And please ignore how dirty my car is right now. I haven't cleaned it. I only cleaned the outside, but not the inside, so bear with me. All right, so we got the different sizes. It's a little info. Ignore my ugly ass nails, but y'all didn't come to see that. Y'all came to see this, and oh my god, there is a big difference in weight. Like, oh wow, you could definitely feel the weight difference. Let me just like give you all the detail, like so. That could be the thumbnail right there, maybe not, I don't know. Ooh, but it is, I don't know how much 400 grams is really, but it feels like a good 1-2 pound. Now, I would say like a 1 pound. But yeah, let me put it on the knob right here. Lefty loosey, just like that. All right, I just found the size to use, just like that. Tighten it up. Okay, righty tighty. Let me twist in this knob up. I don't know if that's what she said, but all right, so I know the boot is like supposed to be, you know, like up here or whatever, but honestly that's for like maybe another video. I really don't want to do this on the video. I don't want to make it too long, but oh wow, okay, you know what, I definitely do feel a difference. I don't really have to like put more pressure, I guess you would say, but you know, this right here is so light compared to this one right here. But yeah, it is definitely an upgrade. Oh my god, I think I want to test drive it now, for real. All right guys, well, this is it. I mean, it was a quick video, so yeah, DC Sports shift knob, a weighted shift knob. So yeah, hope y'all liked the video. I know it's not the best, but it is what it is. Peace out, guys.